Here we'll go to the cauliflower soup making process. First of all, note the ingredient: 1 medium-sized cauliflower, 1½ pinch of milk, 1 ounce of butter, 2 ounces of Allinson fine white meal, pepper and salt to taste, a little nutmeg, and a juice of a lemon. So this is the ingredient, and next comes the cooking. So first we have to prepare the cauliflower, and that will be done by washing and breaking it pieces into. We have to mind it that it should be kept in whole. The flour should be whole, and then we have to boil it in 1½ pinch of butter by adding the butter, nutmeg, and seasoning. When the cauliflower becomes tender, then we have to add the milk, boil it up, and thicken the soup by using the wheat meal. But we have to keep in mind the wheat meal should first be smoothed with a little cold water. And lastly, we have to add the lemon juice and serve the soup with sippets of toast. Hope you like the video and make this healthy dish. Thank you.